YouTube, back again with another video. We got the cat eye right here. Not really too much new. I did just put the 22s back on barely yesterday. As you can see, the needles I had, I did put them up for sale, so they are for sale. Tires, just the tires, the rims, I'm keeping them. Just gonna go with the low profile tire, but I'm not sure what I'm gonna title it, but I got a plan what I should title it. But honestly, on Monday was my birthday, so I was gonna upload something, but I didn't. But honestly, I got myself a birthday surprise, but it's for me, but it's for the truck, so it's basically for the truck, but for me, it's my truck. So basically, I'm not really gonna be telling you what it is, but some of y'all might know what it is for the truck, for the cat eye. I've been talking it for a while, but like I said, if you know what it is, you know what it is. If you don't, you're gonna stay tuned till a couple months. Let's just put it that way, a couple more months, and we'll have something on the truck. I'll keep y'all updated, anything, but next week I should have a video up for y'all soon. Probably y'all should get a little hint, probably what y'all are gonna be seeing, but stay tuned. Got the cap right there. Still fixing it, nothing too much. I haven't done anything, not that I know, like fixing it and cleaning it, but we should have some good stuff coming for the crew cat. And also, for those of y'all that are wondering where is the board, hopefully here in 2 weeks we will be hopefully getting some progress in on the Accord. So tearing down the engine, bro's gonna be doing that, so he's gonna be tearing down the engine, I might be sanding the engine bay again, since you know we painted it, so we might be doing all that. I'll show you the rods, pistons, all that good stuff. We still need to get a little bit more parts. The engine, I think they went into the machine shop, so I'll keep y'all updated on the core build. But right now, this is on the truck. Not really too much on the truck, like I said yet, but we are coming with some new things. Just go over it around. Basically, how y'all seen it last. Same old. I'll keep y'all uploaded on the truck. Like I said, I did get something for it, so we will have something coming. Let's just put it, hopefully something in 4 months. I'll be getting something for it. Let's just put it like that. But if everything goes right, it'll be in 4 months. So fingers crossed. I guess that's all I get for this video. Sorry if it's a little windy, but I'm working with what I got, so sorry about that. Hopefully everything works out good, but please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.